Every time you get money, you have two choices. You could either spend it or you could invest it. You could either spend all that money. Let's say you buy clothes, you buy cars, you waste it. Or you could save so that you could eventually invest. The farming principle. Every time a farmer plants, let's say corn, what can he do? He could either take all of that corn and eat all of it, or he could take some of it and he could replant. He could put them into the ground and they could bear more corn that could create wealth for generations. Even after the farmer is long gone, he could continue. The farm keeps growing. But if he had eaten all the corn, that was the end of it. The same thing applies to money. Every time you get money, what will you do with it? Are you just gonna use all of the money, buy cars and buy crap? Or are you gonna take that money, save it, but that is not the end, that is not the ultimate thing. The ultimate thing is invest in it. Let's say somebody has $100,000 in the bank or less. They could either take all of it and blow it on a brand new car, an expensive car, or they could take it and they could build an income producing property, real estate, and they could take that money from the income producing property. They could take the money, the monthly rentals, and they could buy a car with it. So now the money is working for them. So they're creating passive income as opposed to active income. They do not have to keep working and slaving away. They could create passive income. Their money is working for them, and they're not the ones buying the car right now. The income producing property, that piece of real estate, the rental property, is the one buying the expensive ride or the luxury or the Rolex watch or anything expensive or not. So every time you get some money, make sure it's not only about spending it away and then you're broke, you're living paycheck to paycheck. Put some aside so that you could invest. That is what the rich people do. That is why they're so rich. Do not eat all your corn. Do not eat all your corn, you will have nothing left. That is wisdom. If you take some of it and you replant it, then you will have corn forever. It will make more and more corn, and you will become more and more abundant as opposed to eating all your corn. Active income, earn income, where you trade in time for money, versus passive income, where you're making money while you sleep. You're making money while you're on vacation. The key is to make money while you sleep, because there are only so many hours in the day. If you make money while you sleep, then you could become financially free. The only way to become financially free is to generate passive income, to make money while you're sleeping. For instance, if you've written a book, you have it on Amazon, you decide to invest in that, you're making money while you're sleeping. And there are so many more examples. An income property, you're making money while you're sleeping. So be very careful what you do with your money. You have two choices, make the right choice. And you could become financially free, you could become rich, and eventually you could become wealthy. My name is Manchas Kazabot. This is the Manchas Way YouTube channel. If you found value in this video, click the like button, comment, share. One love, God bless, and all the best.